Alright, so in this tutorial series, we will be building a website completely from scratch using hand coding. This will not be one of those template editing websites. It'll be hand coded using HTML5 and CSS3, and then later on down the road with JavaScript and some PHP as well. So this is the first video in the series. It's going to be just about setting up and downloading all the software you need. And the first one we're going to need is a text editor. There are many out there. There's Atom, there's Notepad++, there's Aptana Studios, and many more. My editor of choice is Atom Text Editor, so just go on Google and search for Atom Text Editor. It's going to be this link here, and just go ahead and click on the download button. And once it's done downloading, install it. I already have installed it, so I'm not going to do it again because I have settings there that I don't want to lose. But just install it, and after it's done installing, go ahead and open it up. It should open automatically, but if it doesn't, do it by yourself. So it's going to look like this. These are just some default pages that it comes up with. Just click out of those. And this is how it looks like. And don't pay attention to this stuff here. This is just my previous projects that I've been working on. You won't see this, of course. I'm not going to go too into depth with this because we will be doing that in the next video. Right now we're just going to be downloading everything we need. So after this, we're going to download one more thing. So go to Google and search for XAMPP, XAMPP. And it's going to be this link here, apachefriends.org. And go ahead and click on the download button that is for your platform. So, of course, on Windows, so I'm going to download that. Now, again, I won't be installing this because I already have it, and I have settings that I don't want to lose. But just go ahead and install it after it's downloaded, and it's going to look something like this. I'm not going to explain much about this right now because this will be used a little later on down the road. We won't be using this for a little bit of time. Alright, that concludes the first episode, and thank you for watching.